software. Now the recording started again. That is, it's a kind of okay, right. So the because of this problem, we will get two separate recordings also. Okay, but however, you noted down. So my uh, request to all of you is this is learning. So what is my intention? Like what exactly this is? So you have to. I'm expecting. I think the link is provided at the beginning. This is the link. I don't want to discuss daily on this link part. Google Meet link is there in the every video. You can check out, you can log in. This is a login and working with. This is very easy. Everyone adapted. After post Corona, almost Google Meet, Zoom sessions, team sessions are quite common, online virtual sessions. So, first request to all of you guys, participants. So, join join the session daily, okay? Because this is my expectations. Because I'm ready to spend my time. So what happens? Even you don't have question, also you join. No worries. If someone asks a question and I'm going to answer or address that question, you take the advantage of it. So lot of guys comes with lot of questions and all. See, in this forum, in this discussion, 1 hour discussion, I'm going to share a lot of add-on additional stuff, which few things I might not be covered in my flow session flow. Those missings are some. So and moreover, so that's why I request you to join daily. And moreover, join the session on time. Okay, join this Google Meet session on time. On time means not before time or late time. That means exactly it is scheduled at 8. So I will log in because however I am in front of system only. I will definitely join. Okay, I don't get any net issues or power issues. I planned all those stuff. Okay, because I this is most responsible. I feel like it's a responsible task. That's why, and I am responsible for because my these video sessions are going on, session videos reaching to different levels. So I may expect anybody may join at any point of time. So my availability is most important, and I am ready to conduct on weekdays also. Last week I was traveling. There was a gap. 99% I don't take break. It's a continuous sessions, even though it could be festival day also, it could be any program day, function day, because I am most committed, dedicated for this. I'm expecting the same commitment from everyone and also. Join on time, exactly sharp at 8 o'clock, so that you don't miss anything. You may ask this question that, sir, what is the need of joining? You are posting the same session again in the, yes, that is also good. But lively learning, here you are here, you can unmute and ask a question directly. This is a kind of, it is a not only one, it is an interactive session. Okay, because it is interactive session. I want to interact, you want to interact. This is the place to interact. Because with interaction through only, you will get a lot of things. Because you will come to know, because in these programming topics, you have to practice few things alone, single in your room. Few things you have to practice in a group as a team. Then while exchanging the knowledge, if he or she stuck at one place, you stuck at one place, they are helping you, you are helping them. This is a kind of knowledge sharing, because the question may arise at any point of time when we are learning a new things, correct? That's why and you guys can interact among yourself, because we have a WhatsApp group also. You can post your questions in the WhatsApp group also. I may answer in the group itself. I'll collect all those questions here. I'll bring questions. I'll answer in this forum also, in this 1 hour also. Okay, that is the another intention. And next, here you have to join the session. Uh, uh, okay, because however I am using my laptop, using join the session through laptop or using laptop. Okay, or if you want to, even some are connecting this session through their TV also. That's okay. You can see a large size tab also. But because tomorrow going forward, if there is a issue, I want to see your screen. You are ready. You have to be ready to to share your screen also. Yes, that's one of the thing I want to. So you can learn. Yes, if you go with a mobile, this is not a kind of any kind of funny things. This is a subject. So you might noticed every day three videos you will get it. Session one 1 hour, session two 1 hour, and a Q&A session 1 hour. That means daily I am spending 3 hours. I'm giving my time 3 hours time to you guys. So you will also get a 3 hours time. So if you join here, you will save 1 hour time because directly listening, and you have to spend the time again revising also. So 3 hour session required 3 hours extra time for you to understand and all. Okay, note making, all notes preparation and all. Okay, yes, and moreover, this is a professional course, completely professional. This course decides your career. That means this course is a career oriented course. If you join daily, consistent, you keep on updating your knowledge levels and all, 100% guaranteed you will get a job. First, you will get the subject first, subject through you will get the confidence next. With that confidence through you go and give the exam interview next. Interview through you will get the job and project. Everything will go smoothly. So primarily, yes, you have to join on time through laptop. These two are mandatory. And one more, laptop is mandatory. Yes, okay. Or desktop also okay. Whatever you are comfortable. You sit in such a place where you don't have any distraction. If possible, I don't know where you are staying, but go in a separate room. You can tell to your friends, relatives, network, whoever you are, don't disturb you. I don't get disturbed because I planned in such a way. Even you also, because deviation is not entertained here. You are, because I'm focused, I'm expecting same focus, same seriousness from everyone. Because when I am seriously explaining, you are taking light. That is, there is no sync at all. Okay, you have to be more serious. Don't watch, if possible, keep your mobile aside. That is the major distraction. Don't watch any WhatsApp messages or TV. Under what is that scrolling messages? No, this 1 hour you commit and dedicated to SAP learnings, honest learning. 6 months learning. I am going to conduct for 6 months. Even after 6 months, also these sessions are going to continue. This is I started in 2025 October. It is going to continue for even post the sessions. Also, I have a plan to continue for the rest of the complete career. Also, this 1 hour I will give. I'll continue. You guys will continue with my journey, and my journey will continue with you. This is a kind of integrated journey. In this journey, I'm going, lot of people I'm expecting here to clarify their not only questions and concerns, they will come. One of lot of my students, those who are achieved, my participants, those who are working in different countries also, I'll bring them here. They will join remotely. They will share their experience, how they got job, how they prepared, how they cleared interviews, and what exactly their SAP successful stories and all their achievement story. That is also one day I'm planning slowly everything. So lot of things I'm planning here. Okay. So coming back again. So the basic rules, fundamental, these rules are I'm framing the rules. These are all, yes, definitely hard and fast rules. You have to go and apply this. Suppose because I cannot come to your home and I cannot check your notes or I cannot check everything. I feel like you are following my instructions. See, one more thing is you sit at a decent place where you don't have distractions, silent place. Okay. Yeah. And try to write it down the notes also directly. Okay. Yes. But this 1 hour also, if you have any question on my explanation, you can stop me at there itself or you can interact by end of this session also. Okay. And next thing, you don't come and say that I don't have any doubts. If you really involve the subject, you will get lot of doubts because I am introducing plenty things here, lots of things here. I am not saying formally that do this exercise. See, you have to understood that what is the exercise for the current day. See, first of all, when I said explore companies, the on that day assignment is explore the list of companies one day, and how to explore a company exercises. You prepare as many company exercises as possible, as many companies explore as possible. That takes a lot of time for you. IT companies, non-IT companies, product-based company. You can write a separate. If you find some new terminology, new vocabulary, also prepare a separate notes. You note it down all the separate words, keywords, vocabulary, or else you come and ask here, sir, on the in that particular video, you used this type of word, keyword, or some kind of buzzwords, industry vocabulary. What is the meaning of that? You ask me. You ask me, I will explain even that level also. Yes, but I am expecting you to involve in the video because you go through that in detail, prepare all the list of questions. The question may be on the first video session, second video session, anything also okay. See, I have covered 8 videos till now. You are going through little behind us. You are at the fourth or fifth session, no problem. You joined late, no problem. You ask any question on the covered syllabus. Even upcoming sessions, I'm going to cover in detail depth because I believe that when I'm giving the detail explanation, definitely the questions will be minimized. Questions will be minimized. Yes, because with maximum explanation. Still, on top of that, you did not understand anything because I'm telling you the SAP is high-end application, high-level software. Even ABAP is a high-level programming area. Okay, ABAP comes under fourth generation language, 4GL we call it as. In in the programming list, you will find just like a two you in the mobiles, uh, in that internet service providers, we say that 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G latest. G stands for generations there. Even in programming languages also, there is a second generation language, there is a third generation language, there is a fourth generation language. So ABAP comes under fourth generation language. When ABAP is a fourth generation language, that is, yes, okay, is 4GL. 4, that is nothing but fourth generation language. All Java, .NET, and ABAP comes under fourth generation languages only. All fourth generation language supports, okay, these fourth generation 4GL we call it as, supports the drag and drop features, and moreover very user friendly environment. Okay, user friendly environment, environment, yes, which means because learning, adapting, even ABAP also easy. So even, yes, that's what the advantage of this high level programming languages. All the things, because I told you there is a ID, integrated development environment. Those, that is called as where the development takes place. Those environments developed in such a way that which provides F1 help also, and automatic keyword suggestions. Automatically it will suggest it will suggest the keywords. Yes, auto suggestions we call it as auto fill features, auto suggestion. Okay, auto fill, when you no need to, suppose you want to type initialization keyword. If you type I, it will provide initially. Press tab, it will automatically fills. Okay, if you, it will save your time also. It will save the typing mistakes or spelling mistakes also. That is another one. So it will suggest the keywords at the respective position also. Auto fill features are also there. Auto corrections are also there. Auto corrections, corrections meaning is, auto correction meaning is what? If you do some kind of any typing errors, it will automatically show in red. It will automatically suggest correct the previous one. 1 second. We relate. So that is auto corrections also is there in the fourth generation latest environments, latest editors. Also, I told you Edit Plus, Eclipse, and all. So ABAP editor is there where we are going to write our ABAP programming. That is the latest one is there. Colorful editor. Yes. Okay. Automatically the colors, keywords are in one color, non-keywords are another color. So these are all high level programmings are there. So that's why when you are learning high levels, we no need to worry about second generation, third generation languages. All higher generation language, okay, we are going to learn in the upcoming sessions. Okay, yes. So be ready to catch and understand it. But definitely, you don't say that I don't have any doubts. If you say that I don't have doubts, means I believe that you did not gone through the my video also, my session also. Because really, if you involve, and you did not involve also, if you go through line by line, sequentially, definitely you will get a number of doubts. See, doubts is nothing but a clarification, additional clarification. See, generally, as a trainer, as a mentor, or as a guide, I need to, it's not only one way delivery, I need to motivate, I need to help you, I need to support you wherever you stuck while learning or while working tomorrow, while working also. It could be a theoretical doubt, it could be a practical doubt. It could be a, suppose you gone through some information on SAP in a website. Something you read in yesterday's something. You have a doubt, sir. In your session, you explain like this, but this is that type of general comparison query. Also, you can bring here. because questions I'm entertaining. As a best trainer, I have to entertain all of your questions because I want to know whether you are able to understand my subject or syllabus first. Okay, that's what I feel. Okay, that's why you have to mm, join on time, sit in a quiet place, and zero distractions, and try to understand the things. Yes, one more important information I want to tell you. It's a kind of instruction. You have to be. You should not unmute. Yes, unless I asked you to unmute, I'll take your name because here also I'll use your names directly. I don't use Mr. Mrs. I don't. Okay, I'll call you as your name. You can call me by my name also directly. Krishna also. Okay, welcome. No, because that's corporate standards incorporating right away from here itself. Okay. Yes, that is your like learning strategies and learning rules also. I'm going to covering here. Okay, because when you unmute a lot of background things from your home or room comes here, that may be deviation for others. When I deviated, when so all these are all kind of prerequisites you have to take care. Okay, yes, you may be for some specific reason you are traveling or some illness or sick or health issues. That's okay. You are unable to join in a particular day. That's okay. No, these sessions are not mandatory session. It is up to you whether you want to join or don't want to join. Also, I don't insist you. It is you have to join. But I'm telling you that I'm available to provide my knowledge to you because I am. And one more thing I want to tell: when you ask a question, I will give in detail answer because already that was covered in the video. But there also I explained a common explanation. But here, if you come and ask again question, again repeated question, or you say that I did not understand that statement, I'll explain once again in a detailed manner. But don't ask me the 1 hour again content to explain again. No, certain things I believe that when we are learning a new things, and I know how many days and years it took for me to understand these typical critical concepts. Nobody was there to help me out at that phase, at that my learning time. So, but I have done a lot of hard work, homework, groundwork with a lot of efforts through I reached to this stage and this phase. But at your time, I am here to guide you and support you. You definitely you will learn, you will get many doubts as and today also and going forward also. Because don't say that the what is there. Yes, definitely, because I you don't know which sequence I'm going to take. Just your job is just to follow sequentially. Even you can prepare, one index also. Index of my entire course syllabus. So that you will come to know how this topic is integrated. And moreover, I don't want to confuse a lot also. If you go to my, almost you guys are subscribed it. If you go to my YouTube channel also, here, okay, can find it here. Yes, now go to the YouTube studio. YouTube studio. Content part is here. You can. So I hope by this time you are familiar if you are following my sessions. So I'm using the fixed kind of background or wallpaper or thumbnail, so which consists of SAP ABAP and right side ABAP programming fixed. Left side only you will come to know with the session and the session number and the session content. If you open the session inside, in the description also, I have explained this what is there inside of this video. Okay, inside of this video is I have same sequentially I have given the bullet points, and below some other few other links are given for my, if you have anybody have a doubt of trainer's profile, they can go through that also, my profile. So there are two playlists are there. Among this, these are all the playlists. If you go to the playlist, you'll find two things. One is ABAP sessions playlist, second is Q&A playlist. Because wantedly we are going to see as on today, 8 web sessions and 4 Q&A sessions are there. So 8 plus 4, total 12. Yes. And this number is going to introduce daily. And whatever this 1 hour session, Q&A session, yes, I'll keep it here. And ABAP session, I'll keep it here. This is at least for your clarity purpose. Okay. Yes. Hope you, I don't know. This is a fixed model. I, and moreover, my way is mostly I am typing because people suggested me that already I taught many batches. Previous session, so, notepads are already there readily, but I don't want to use the ready-made presentation. Okay, I consider this as a my batch, unique batch. So batch means I'm targeting the audience, newly fresher audience. So that here what happens, everything is, because see, when I open a blank screen, you are, what happens, you are mentally prepared to understand the subject. And actually the way to introduce subject corporate style is every session has unique name, unique purpose, and session starts with or begins with agenda. That is agenda, and agenda sequence will continue and close the session. This is the corporate style of handling the this thing. This notepad also I adapted from the corporate style. So because some faculties and trainers they teach all the syllabus and subject using slides and PPTs. That is also good because nowadays because people may feel bored when slideshow is there. They will get some kind of creativity, some colors and all, the ready-made pictures and all. So definitely I also use the PPTs and slides in the upcoming everywhere. I have a topic specific, but I use the PPTs for revision purpose. Okay, revision purpose. Yes, for anything is missing at that, because first you are familiar with the subject. Then once I revise the slideshow, definitely by that time everything comes into your memory. If anything, 1 or 2 points missed, that missing points I will cover there itself. And moreover, agenda. When I say good morning and all and I will, if you notice that I am revising the previous day topics also. From the beginning date to till date, I am revising within a minute. You also revise the previous topic to today's topic. What is the need of purpose of revising? Because see, every 1 day we are continuing. That means 24 hours. Yesterday we have done this one. Today, that is 23, 24 hours, we have a gap. Generally, we forget the subject because we have disconnected with the subject and we have done so many non-IT, non-SAP things. Okay, the unnecessary stuff is there in the active in the memory. So when we revise a minute, what will happen? You are closely connecting to the previous topic. That's why my agenda is I'm keep on repeating. That is actually that's also a corporate style or standard. Revise and collect, and I will tell you what are all the things we are going to learn on today's topic. That is the agenda for current day and current session. In the same sequence, I am going to cover and all. Right. Next, if you go to the same thing applicable to you also, you also revise the previous topics and try to listen the current day topic. Don't go to the current day topic directly. Revision is important. Revision is most important because all we human beings we have a tendency to forget. Obviously, we forget. Okay, unless you revise it. So because there was a memory technique. If you suppose now the time is 9 o'clock, you have to revise this session within the next immediate 8 hours. If you don't revise within next 8 hours, it we will lose the connectivity with the this subject, this topic, this session. Because revision will help you to forming the some kind of memories in the brain. That means you are actively listen and once again you revised it. That is the memory goes to the permanent things in our brain and formation. So if you revise after 8 hours, what will happen? It is going to waste. After 8 hours, it is literally waste. That's why this course, software courses are very, very sensitive, very delicate because this course will decide your career. I said this career oriented course. I'm expecting 200% serious, 500% seriousness in your life. You don't ask me what is important. All the sessions are important. All instructions are important. Everything is important. Doesn't comes with free because with a lot of efforts through I'm giving my uh, simplified inputs. Every input you have to catch, every instruction you have to note it down, everything definitely it will go and helpful to you. I can guarantee you that to everyone who are listening, the listeners, that if you follow my instructions and do the practicals and theory as it is, 6 months you follow that, definitely you will get a job, assured job, no doubt about it. Because I have a proven strategy, proven, I am a proven trainer in the industry. So my participants are also, they have proven, they followed my instruction, they got the job also. Same rule applicable to you also. That's why. And moreover, in the session, what you have to do is note down all notes, complete notes. All note means, if possible, complete. You take the notes, and because why I'm typing for your batch, because I told you this typing is a kind of dictation to you. I'm dictating the notes to you. You each statement, each line. Don't take a photo. Simply, you have a mobile. You have a camera. You want to take it a photo. You can take photo. That's okay. Accepted for revision and all. But if you start writing, then only it goes into memory. That is the one of the memory technique. If you take a snap of your this thing, you don't understand it. Definitely for sure. Okay, and don't skip it. People say that we want to listen this one something 1.5 speed. That is up to you, but go in a slowly manner. This is not a kind of any uh, entertainment. This thing, you will get a lot of bore also sometimes because I don't crack any kind of jokes. No entertainment, no deviation, zero deviation, zero distractions. This is a purely SAP dedicated ABAP course. Subject, subject, and purely subject only I'll discuss here. if at all I'm going to add something additional information, that could be the SAP experience, ABAP experience, industry experience, business experience, some kind of add-on additional industry-based examples I'll give. That is not a deviation. That should be there. That is the what the real exposure and real time exposure experience stuff I will share it. But I don't give general examples or any kind of general jokes. No, I'm 200% serious because in corporate stand, I feel like this session is also a kind of corporate session for me. Okay. It's a corporate session. I'm handling with 200% commitment and a dedication. Okay, daily you are getting postings. Okay, daily you will get it. So if you one day if you don't follow me, you will get heavy. You will get the feeling as heavy. If you daily you note down, yes, daily you go through the syllabus subject and try to understand it. Okay, if you did not understand next day itself, you come and ask me, no problem at all. Yes, because in the initial sessions, I'm talking a lot. The reason is I want to bring into the seriousness mode and I want to share my intention to injecting the all of my passion to each and everyone. That's what has happening. It's a kind of transition is happening here. Transition the everything because generally the tendency of the student or participant they are into general mode because they have seen many faculties lecturers and all but they have not come across the real serious trainer in their career or their life. This is one of the session. It is 200% serious. Okay, this is what you have to understand. And moreover, if I draw and or trace or copy the pictures in the yes everything. Why I am drawing in front of you by opening the MS Paint brush? Because see, when I draw, you will come to know which sequence he is drawing, which arrow, this arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Because subject understanding through pictures. In this throughout this 6 months course, I am going to draw many pictures also. So then it's not only the notepad text is important, the pictures are also important, equally important. Yes, when yes, your programs I type is also important. Programs are also need to be needs to be copied. I type it here, you have to slowly pause it and you have to copy it. I don't share the program code at a time. In the description, I don't share that like that. No. How should I share 100 lines code to you every day? There is no sharing model here. I don't mail to you. I cannot do that effort at all. So that means 100 lines I type it. You have to copy the 100 lines. Honestly, you have to note it down. Yes, note down the 100 lines code and type. I typed it. You also type it. Yes, any hiccups, any problems, I will address. Yes, that is a typing issue, spelling issue, syntax issue, runtime error, everything I will address. No worries. Okay. Even you are practicing something, your screen error also in WhatsApp, you can post it at my free time. I will directly give it to the WhatsApp. There itself, what is the error? By looking at the screen itself, I will come to know the error. I can give you the solution there itself. You no need to wait till next day morning at all also. Because I am going to be help you out in the lab sessions also, not only theoretical sessions. Okay. So I told you initially major stuff I'm going to cover in the notepad only, corporate style. And moreover, don't ask me that share this notepad. No, I don't share it like that casual sharing. No, first because 50% my efforts, I am expecting simultaneously 50% efforts. from your end. You have to go through the video, pause the video, write down the steps, note down the steps, involve into subject, slowly understand it. Yes, efforts expecting from your end also, equally efforts. Okay. And moreover, uh, yes, this is what I'll give exercises also going forward. You have to do that also. So PPTs also, I will show it to you some kind of corporate PPTs. I have plenty, 1 TB data I have there in my, I have 100 SAP books with me and 1 TB hard disk data with me. Lot of plenty collection, huge collection of data is there with me. But I don't show you at a time all, and I don't want to confuse you a lot because I'm a proven industry expert. Don't forget that you are undergoing this syllabus, this standard under a proven industry expert. A certified consultant is handling this session here. Don't take light. The problem with this generation is this students is they will take everything as light. They only study the college days. Last week they'll study, they'll go and give exam. That is marks sake. That's okay. I don't want to comment on that. But this is, you cannot, overnight, you cannot understand the syllabus or subject. 6 months dedicated efforts is expected from everyone. Everyone. That is a mandatory rule imposed on everyone. Okay, you have to catch not only my notepad notes, not only my pictures and PPT slides. I will log in tomorrow into SAP screen. I am switching between here and there. I'll go to website and show lots of sources through. I will explain the concept to you because I want to simplify. I want to make you every concept should understandable to everyone. It's not like college days, only the first row I'll focus. First row, middle row, last row, and everyone are important for me. Okay. And finally, in these sessions, I'm going to cover lot of things which I'm saying orally. Even I am not typing anything because typing also kind of time taking. I need to care about the spelling and correction and everything. Okay. Because so you are listening, right? Then you note it down. That's it. You note down. Whatever you feel important, you note down. If you ask me whatever is important, everything is important. Sometimes I'm keep on repeatedly saying certain statements. Why? Because you have to give more importance and more emphasis on that, more focus on that particular area. Suppose I said yesterday SAP note. You don't know what is SAP note. But one day in my session, one exclusively 2 hour session on SAP Note will come. On that day only, you will understand real subject of SAP Notes. But because I am giving lots of advanced level information here, which is the subject as on today's subject and as on today's syllabus and as on today industry. Because I am not a retired person, I am a working person, working consultant. Senior consultant. I am a team lead. I know how to handle the team also. I know my team members' concerns also. So that's why, okay, I'm going to cover all these multiple dimensions, 360-degree dimensions in my, like there are a lot of shadow consultants are working under me. I'm grooming them, I'm guiding them. So same thing. Okay, I'm going to guide you in these sessions also. So what did I say in this 1 hour session is, even I did not give time to ask questions also. Sorry for that. But anyhow, however, we'll get time tomorrow, day after, we'll have a plenty time. But I just explained the rules to attend the session. Because who defined these rules? I only decide. Because this is my session, rules of these sessions or these classes. And I don't use the class. This is not a class, in fact. corporate says that you are not a student, you are a participant. This is not a class, this is a session. You see the vocabulary. And I am not a faculty, I am a trainer or mentor or guide. Yes, I'm a consultant giving the industry information, industry knowledge, as on today knowledge, up to date information. And moreover, I have 2024 videos, recorded videos are there. I am not going to share, but 24 videos are 1 year back. If you compare with that, I have upgraded a lot. So as on today, these sessions are up to date. Up to date sessions are also. I'm sharing as on today whatever is happening in the industry, that information I am giving to you. Because faculties are two types. One faculty prepare one time and deliver it rest of the life. No, I am not that type. I am into second category where I have a lot of knowledge and I am upgrading my skill. When I am upgrading, same thing I am updating here also in my sessions also. Okay. Hope you guys understand the rules and all. Follow these rules. You be prepared. And only rules I talk one time only, not daily basis. Okay, thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. Yes. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.